Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing. I've reached financial independence, and I talk about topics to help others on their path to financial independence. And my thought today is something I've noticed recently. I'm an engineer. I work for an engineering firm, and I find that there's only a few people who are really interested in the topic of financing and or financial topics that really actively are doing a bunch in order to figure out how to retire someday. And it's kind of interesting. And I looked around. There's a lot of things that I've learned over the past while that really helped me out in terms of reducing my taxation, helping with investments, learning how our 401k system works. And there's some really neat features that it has that no one ever taught me. I had to go digging through it. I learned from financial podcasts for how to do these things. And it's just really interesting to me that there's not more of this within companies that teach you how to do well with your finances. So, I've chatted with. So one thing that I did, I was trying to educate my colleagues, particularly on how our 401k system worked and some of the super neat features we have, like the super mega backdoor Roth. We have the ability to. We have a brokerage link feature that allows us to self-direct our IRA or our 401k instead of only being limited to the 15 or so choices. So there's just some super amazing things we've been able to do. And so I put together these emails that show exactly how you activate this feature, how you activate that feature, and I sent them out to my colleagues just to say, "Hey, you got to know about this. This is really cool." And a lot of them, I got some emails back that said, "Hey, thanks." A few people would say thanks for this, and then I end up talking to other people in the hall. And I'm like, "Hey, I appreciate those emails coming out, and one of these days, I'm gonna look through those very detailed emails to get on top of stuff." And I'm like, "Wait, you didn't read it? You didn't look through it? This is super important stuff." But that's what I'm finding is so many of the other engineers that I work with, they they know they need to do this. They know it's important, but even though they're engineers and can deal with all kinds of complex things when it comes to reading through an email about financial details, they're just like, I know I need to get to that, but I just haven't yet. And I'm like, okay, I've done what I can to try to help. Why is it that other people don't? I don't understand. So, maybe I'm a different breed or an interesting person, but to me, this is fascinating. And, I spent so much time and difficulty learning how to become an engineer in the first place. And, we get decent salaries. And so trying to learn how to keep more of it through not getting taxation, keeping your taxes low, using your 401k system or the IRA system or your HSA or all these other things. To me, it's super important because as you get further in your career, your income is higher, your salary is higher. You got to know how to manage your finances well because at some point your job is going to be gone and it's just going to be you managing your wealth there. So I'm just shocked that more people don't want to spend the time to learn about the financial aspects in their life. And I don't know if they're just kind of shunning the time, they just plan on working forever, or if it's just too, they just don't want to deal with it. I'm not really sure. Maybe what have you guys seen out there? If you're watching this channel, you definitely have an interest in financial topics. But I'm just kind of shocked that so many people, they know it's important, they know the information's there, they know they should step through it, but they just won't do it or haven't done it. So it's just kind of crazy to me. So there's my rant for the day. There's a ton of information out there you can learn, but you gotta have to have a desire to go do some work to step through it and to learn and educate yourself from a financial basis. So I don't know. There's my 2 cents for today, but what have you guys seen? Do people just put their head in the sand, or are you folks watching this channel just do you feel different from everybody else in this world? I'm just kind of curious. So like, subscribe. Thanks a bunch. Bye.